a U-Haul box. What could possibly be inside a U-Haul box? And it's a medium box too. 18 and an eighth by 18 by 16. 3 cubic foot. So, what could be in this box? But in defense, it is okay for shipping, so we got that going for us, which is nice. So I guess we're going to find out what it is right now. So if we're ready, let's go. Bubble wrap, more green bubble wrap, 107, too bad video. Ooh, smells weird, but hey, air boobies. Air boobies. There it is. Believe it or don't, gang, it's another Lakewood S-122. This one from the fleaBay, and yeah, it could have standed to be cleaned up a bit, but at least say when I saw this, I knew what I was going to get into, and I decided, you know what, I may just use this as a shop fan, because I'm not going to ruin my good S-122, because, well, there's no sense. Better to get an old beat-up one for like heavy-duty industrial work. I'm not going to take it to work, but you know how it goes. And yeah, it is missing some slats. That blade is really filthy. Stains, rust, you name it. Side, more rust. Other side. Wow. Yeah, this look, I mean, whew, I don't know, man. Yeah, it's broken there, broken there. Wow. I mean, the label is gone, but we all know it's an S-122X. But it's still an S-122. So we're going to plug it up and see what it does. Well, it's plugged up, so if we're ready, here's high. Surprise, surprise, it works. Camera out of the way so you won't get the wind noise. Go. I don't remember the low on my better looking S-122 being this slow. Of course, it could also be the fact that it's so gunked up or whatever. Who knows? Back high. It's dinner time now. And how nice. It looks longer because they kind of hacked another cord onto the other one. How nice. So yeah, this is definitely going to be more trouble than it's worth. So it's just going to end up being a shop fan. But since I also have the amp meter out, we're going to do like the whole wattage and everything. So here's high. .15 amps, 100 watts, 99.6, 99.0, 98.5, 98.9, 994, 995, 997, 993. The stupid radio station, I don't know. So, you see the wattage just drops. So yeah, could be the fact this needs some service, everything. So yeah. And despite the fact it's nasty in there, you did hear a startup sound. It may have been a cry for help, so we'll start off on low. You heard nothing on low, probably because of the wind chimes over there, but here's high. I mean, I know I heard one. Whatevs. At least the bearings are well oiled, so I got that going for me, which is nice. Alright, that's going to do it for this video of this really fucked up, knackered looking late 70s Lakewood S-122X, or S-122 if you want to be technical, but yeah. Kind of cheap, kind of didn't need it, but why the hell not? And I've already relegated this to being like a shop fan because these grills are completely... Look at this. And the cord, I mean, let's not even get to the cord. I mean, I didn't even show you, but it looks like it was some... Point is, it's going to need a little bit of work, especially the motor being cleaned if you're going to be seeing lots of heavy-duty service, but it's going to happen. It will definitely happen. Eventually. Hell, I finally got around to doing another Fiend video because, like I said, why I didn't do much of anything, that's going to come up in another video. I mean, lack of ambitions and shit, but that'll be for another time. So, till next time, whenever it is, I'm Eskie, thanks for watching, and the comment box is open.